see, time after time I tried just to hold on to what we got, but now you're moving. Oh yeah, girl. Listen, I don't mind about the things you're gonna say on. I gave all my money and my time. I know it's a shame, but I'm giving you back your name. Yeah, yeah. Listen, yes, I'll be on my way.
Say what?
And I won't be back to stay. I guess I'll move along, 'cause I'm looking for a good time. And everybody knows it, oh yeah. Like he said, we're from a small town called Tuskegee, Alabama. But tonight on Soul Train Cruise, let me hear everybody say, yeah! Funny how the times can go on. My friend said it told me so, but it doesn't matter. 'Cause it was plain to see that a small town boy like me I wasn't your cup of tea, that I was wishful thinking. Oh yeah, listen, I gave you my heart and I tried to make it happen, but you gave me nothing in return. And you know it's so hard to say, would you please just go away? Yeah, yeah. Soul Train, I've thrown away my blues.
What?
And I'm so tired of being used.
Not me.
I want